Hi everyone, this is Perm, and in today's video we'll be unboxing a new awesome cubic. That sounds interesting, of course. And now let's open the package. Ooh, a cube pouch. I wonder what's inside. Wait, what? Is this a new SpeedCube? Well, only one way to find out. I have my scale here, and now let's measure the weight of the cube. As you can see, it measures exactly at 106 grams. For context, this is a Ganex, and it measures about 81 grams. Now let's get this out of the way, and now let's try the usual corner cutting and others. So firstly, corner cutting. You can do extremely small cuts very well, like this. It's actually not too bad. But reverse, small cuts are also good, but you can't get anywhere. Whoa. I think that was like half a piece and you're still good, but once you get to about 45 degrees, go for reverse and normal corner cutting, this cube just can't handle it. And now let's take a look at the screw. I think I meant try to take a look, because there's no way to take a look at the mechanism of the inner parts, because the cube is so tight. And you can't really see the inner parts, and I don't think that the center cap is removable. So let's set it down and do a random hand scramble. Oops, I forgot to adjust the focus, but yeah. That was not a very good stuff. Actually, it was pretty bad. But considering it's like a very old cube, I feel that it's okay. So, ending off as I always do, with a conclusion. Should you buy this cube? No! I feel that there are much better cubes than this, and they are probably way cheaper. Like, for example, the highly acclaimed cube of the ICE 3M 2020. Yes, excellent corner cutting. The turning is very smooth, unlike this, and it actually has a dual adjustment system. Or if you want to be fancy, you can go with the GAN, which also has the above mentioned but is way more expensive. So some people say they buy a very bad SpeedCube, for example, super slow and has very poor qualities like poor corner cutting and more, so that they could practice their look ahead and turn more accurately. I don't think that is really helpful anymore, because with newer cubes you can actually adjust tension. I mean, I think all cubes can do that except this, almost all. And the newer cubes you can adjust it to even more precisely and even more to your liking. So you can make it super slow, or you could make it very fast. So If you want to practice, you can make it maybe moderate speed, and if you want it for look ahead, you could make it slower, and it could actually help you with your turning accuracy also. And the best point is, you don't have to buy another cube. But if you just have like a very old random cube laying around, I recommend that you just try turning a few times with it and do a few solves, and after that go back to your main, and the main will feel super good, and you might even perform better. As I don't know why, but when I use very bad cubes, not just this cube, I usually don't like my main cube before it. Then I do a few solves on those bad cubes, and after that I try the good cube and it's suddenly super good. I think that nothing actually changed in the good cube, just my perception of cubes has changed as I use a poorer quality cube. So this started out as an April Fool's prank. I think that I also basically gave a review of the Rubik's branded cube. I feel that maybe the only positive side is that it has tiles and they feel quite durable, and it is very iconic, and maybe you could add this to your collection as a decoration piece, or just to show your friends and just maybe just let them try with it, something like that. And yeah, that wraps up this video. Thanks for watching, and till next time, bye.